Hello, this is Jim again with Perfect Fitting Shoes. Here's a video showing a presentation that I made on a national syndicated TV program back in the 90s, trying to get awareness about my product. Back in those days, I wasn't called Perfect Fitting Shoes. I didn't coin the name, even though you'll hear me using the phrase and the statement. Uh, but I was trying to get some support for the product, and you can see that I'm not a good spokesperson, especially not in public on camera. I am the second person that you'll see who appears on the video out of more than 800 people that showed up when I was there, and more than, I guess, 1,000 that showed up for the whole day. I got second billing, so I felt very proud of that, but you couldn't understand me speaking. So, again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.
With the pickup pile, pooper scooper that actually bags and seals the dog litter inside the plastic bag. You place it over the dog litter, it drops off inside the garbage can, sealed inside the plastic bag.
I had heel slippage problem. The shoes adjust in the heel. They allow a perfect fit in the back of the shoe, so there is no heel slippage.
I have a 5 and a 3-year-old, and the first thing they would do is put their face on the dirty, filthy, jagged edges here on a grocery cart.
I've come up with a plunger cover.
And I created a bottle holder, pillow bottle holder for the walker for my grandson.
This can clip onto the mother's belt and enable the mom to play music to the baby.
Chicagoland winters can get pretty snowy. Use this in conjunction with your snowblower and you'll be prepared for anything.
I made this for my mom. This is the pantyhose organizer.
I have a boot wrap that will keep your legs warm.
I can give people massages in the water.
You can tell your friends and family, your neighbors, that you're not celebrating by telling them you're frightfully sorry.
What I got here is a drywall many-function saw.
Myself, as many of you, have a real thing about those unsightly yellow drops and dots.
So I learned a lot in this experience. I learned I'm not the best spokesperson for my company. So anybody out there that likes the concept of designing perfect fitting shoes or being a spokesperson for perfect fitting shoes, please give me a call. I'm definitely interested in hearing what your voice sounds like and what you have to offer. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from perfectfittingshoes.com. Bye-bye.